Hey guys, it's Pauline. I have another purse that I picked up. I thought that I would share. I believe this is an eBay purchase. So let's take a look. I am trying really hard to be careful because it would make me sick to my stomach if I accidentally cut it or even scratch it. So I am not impressed by this packaging though. I didn't put any effort in this. Alright, let's see what we got here. And it is what I thought it was. Alright, so this is another one. I think this is from Japan, but I'm surprised how they sent it. Alright, so we got the trappings here. Got the official looking Coach. Is it? Because that looks a little wonky. Come to think of it. But anyway, whatever. But that looks official. Let's see. If there's anything else, like a receipt or anything. I don't see anything. I don't know what that means. So, I don't think I've ever gotten one that was packaged like this. But they do have this styrofoamy material around it that's cushioning it. And it's nice. The feel of the leather is nice. See, that doesn't look like... Anyway. I am gonna stop trying to figure out whether or not it's legit. All I'm going to do is just evaluate whether or not I like it. Because this one I didn't pay a whole lot for either. I think I paid $170, which compared to the website and stuff, that is a big difference in price. All right, so let's take out stuffing. This took a long time to get here. Okay, we got the little creed back here. And I would have to see one in store. I know they got like this microfiber kind of backing, but that looks like it's loose and doesn't look like what Coach would put out. Then this leather is really nice. So I don't know. Okay. See all the buckling in there? That doesn't, I don't think, even an outlet piece, I don't think Coach would put their name on this. But I don't know. it's really nice. So if you stop looking at the imperfections, got some buckling there, and that might be the way that they shipped it. But just admiring the purse itself, irrespective of whether or not it is from Coach. See, that is just not their quality. But I could put my ear pods in here. We do have the branding on on a lot of it. See, this is even crooked. Looks like it's crooked. Or is that warping from the way it was shipped? I don't know. The only question is, do I like it enough to keep it? It is a very, very nice. It feels wonderful. It's gorgeous. And here's that super thin tag. But this one looks a little better than the one I had, I think, yesterday. Depending on when you watch this video. Okay. And then let's see what the C looks like. It may be discounted because there are quality issues. I don't know. It's nice. It looks like the regular. Okay, so this, I'm having trouble because there's nothing behind it. I know that. But this leather, it feels like a leather jacket. I've had leather jackets that felt like this. It's nice. Oh, it's magnetic. Oh, okay. I thought this was the push button one. This is the magnetic one. Okay, never mind. There we go. I am just pushing and pushing. And I think my phone can lay sideways in here. I'm using my phone right now, so I don't know for sure. Okay, so now that I'm looking at it, I paid under $200 for it, shipping and all, I believe. I think I paid like shipping and all like $180. I'm happy with it because it feels luxurious. And I can overlook the imperfections. Seeing as though this thing normally costs, I believe this is one of the almost $500 purses. I can deal with it. Okay, let's take a look. This feels thin. And yeah, I don't think Coach put this out. I'm not sure. But I'm really suspecting that this is not a genuine purse. But like I said, that doesn't bother me. I mean, it's starting to bother me a little, but not enough to send it back. Where's the buckle? No, that would be a deal breaker. And it took forever to get here. Wait, did I didn't miss it, right? How am I supposed to connect these two? I don't see the buckle. All right, so I'm gonna have to contact eBay. I guess this one is gonna have to go back. All right, guys. That is a bummer because I waited a long time for this to get here. I think I ordered this in early April, like April the 6th, I think. And I'm just now getting it. Today is May 7th. So that's a long time, and it is not in any of this. So, yeah. So it doesn't have what the other one had, like the receipt and stuff. Let me see. There's nothing in there. Yeah, this is missing the buckle for the strap. All right. Other than that, I was gonna keep it. But that's a deal breaker. It's pretty though. It really is pretty. All right. You know, I wonder if it would have been cute with like a chain as the strap. But anyway, guys, I thought I would share that with you, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye. Okay, hey guys, I am back. I just realized what I was supposed to do with the straps. So I never had a purse like this. So I don't know, I kept messing with it, and I'm like, oh, wait a minute, here are the buckles. I mean, because I was bummed about having to send it back, but I'd already contacted the seller and asked for refunds. So I guess I don't know, I guess I'll have to send it back, even though it has some some serious quality issues, like look at that. And then I'm looking on the back of here, and I'm like, I know that they're making some pockets kind of wonky and stuff, but I don't know if that's what this is supposed to be. Is that by design, or is that just poor quality? I'm leaning on that's by design. But anyway, but the positive thing about it is this feels just wonderful. It's so cute, but this feels like a leather jacket. I have had leather jackets like this, and it feels just like this. And you can kind of hear it. I love it. I mean, I love it for what I paid. I paid $142. I had to go look it up. But anyway, for that amount, this will work. And then I looked at this. I'm like, there's no way Coach, even in the outlet, would put their name on that, right? Is it me? But anyway, I will talk to y'all later, and I might come back and update what they said. Okay, talk to y'all later. Bye.